Hello, welcome to my presentation on the history of the Black Panther Party. Now, the Black Panther Party appears to have been an African American Marxist civil rights group. Their history is actually really interesting. So, the Black Panther Party was founded on October 1st, 1966 by two guys named Huey and Bobby. Now, Huey and Bobby had met each other at the Merritt College, California, in Oakland, California. They founded the Black Panther Party of Self-Defense soon after. However, the name got shortened to just the Black Panther Party. By January 1st, 1967, they had opened their first headquarters for the movement. They had a whole painted sign in the window and everything. Now, their goal in founding this group was to help poor African Americans. They came up with a 10-point program which illustrated what they desired to achieve. As you can see, many of these are very reasonable demands, such as we want decent housing, fit shelter for human beings. I mean, that's great. We want to end robbery by the white man of our black community. Again, if you're being robbed, okay, we want to end robbery. Full employment, that's all great. We want freedom, again, not necessarily bad. But then we get stuff like, we want freedom for all black men held in federal, state, county, and citizen prisons and jails. I'm sorry. I get it, they weren't having fair trials, but you can't just release all prisoners of one race I don't think you know what you're asking for there. So, yeah, the goals varied in reasonability, but regardless, they explained every claim they made, and they made their claims boldly. To accomplish these goals, the Black Panthers took action. They monitored police activity when it dealt with African Americans. They just, sat by casually with their giant gun, no big deal. Now, as you can imagine, the police weren't fond of this, but it was technically legal at the time. The presence of the Black Panthers had eventually helped things, well, at least helped the African Americans feel safer and encouraged the white police to behave. Guns weren't the only measure the Black Panther Party took, however. They also started many social works, such as free breakfast for children and free shoes for poor children. They justified these actions by calling them revolutionary. To give away food and clothes, they said, was an act of a socialist, not a capitalist. They weren't giving out handouts to appease the masses. They were stirring the masses to rebel from a corrupt government by showing them goodness. At least, that's what they said. Personally, I disagree. But this isn't about me, so let's move on. Now, all of this was legal until the FBI stepped in. Since this group was very clearly socialist/communist, the FBI viewed them as a threat to the nation. The first director of the FBI, Edgar Hoover, called them one of the greatest threats to the nation's internal security. The FBI then worked hard to destroy the Black Panther Party. It is noted, however, that the FBI later apologized for their abuse of power in some of these instances. Quinta Pro was the FBI's counterpart and also trying to take down the Black Panther Party. With the FBI trying to take them down, violence was bound to break out. Huey was convicted of killing an Oakland police officer, although the decision was later overturned. Many other shootouts occurred, one of which killed a prominent Black Panther member, Bobby Hutton. Two things largely contributed to the fall of the Black Panther Party. The first is the disbanding of the party's leading members. Elwood Cleaver joined an anti-communist church, which, as you can see, would kind of discourage being a Black Panther. Kathleen Cleaver, his wife, became a college professor, and Assata Shakur went to exile in Cuba. Some other factors that led to the downfall of the Black Panther Party was the FBI and Quintel interference in their business. Because of these two, the Black Panther Party officially dissolved in 1982. So thank you so much for watching my video. These are the sources I used in case you are interested in learning more about this. If there's any way I can improve these videos in the future, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'd just like to let you know I hope you have a great day.